Hi guys, today I have OnePlus Ace 3 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Open Google Chrome application and tap three dots on the right corner. In it, Settings, we scroll down to Settings option and Password Manager. There we have gear icon and we can turn on or turn off some function with passwords, and there we have our password which we can manage. Maybe to the messenger account we can press there and now we must enter screen look, and there we can copy our email and passwords, or after we press this eyes icon our smartphone show us passwords. We can also edit all by click edit and write something or delete, or we can add note to our passwords. After we custom it, we click save, and the last function we can delete password which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm all by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.